मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, आज का टॉपिक है हमारा डेरिवेशन ऑफ ओएलएस एस्टिमेटर बीटा 0 एंड बीटा 1। ये एक कंप्लीट इकोनोमेट्रिक्स सीरीज़ है जो हम डिफरेंट वॉल्यूम्स में दे रहे हैं। प्रीवियसली 3 वॉल्यूम्स हम दे चुके हैं, ये 4th वॉल्यूम है जो हेल्पफुल रहेगा नेट इकोनॉमिक्स, इंडियन इकोनॉमिक सर्विसेज, गेट एंड आईआईटी जैम के लिए। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू IEMS Academy. I am Dr. Ajay Bhatia, presenting the 4th volume of the Econometrics series. Please, student, understand the derivation of OLS estimator, important topic for different competitive paper. These estimators beta 0 and beta 1 help us to find the best regression line through the data. Now we will start step by step how we derive the OLS estimator beta 0 and beta 1. You can recap the different previous video, you can say the simple linear regression model, in which we have a basic equation of simple linear equation that was y equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x1 plus u1. This we have discussed in the previous videos. If you want, you can go and see the previous video. Here y is the dependent variable, x1 is the independent variable, and beta 0 is the interception. Beta 1 is the slope. Our main concern is estimating beta 0 and beta 1. Ui is the error term in the equation. Here our goal is to estimate beta 0 and beta 1 using the observed data so that regression line is close to actual data, and as possible we do this by using ordinary least square method, that is called OLS method. We are in the stage of deriving the OLS estimator. The principle of least square, or you can say OLS, is to minimize the sum of the square of the error. तो आइडिया क्या है OLS का? मिनिमाइज करना सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर रेसिडुअल्स को, जो हम उसको सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर एरर भी बोलते हैं, SSE, सम ऑफ स्क्वायर ऑफ एरर. लेट अस स्टार्ट. सम ऑफ स्क्वायर ऑफ एरर SSE इक्वल टू समीशन yi माइनस yi कैप का होल स्क्वायर. वी वांट टू choose the value of beta 0 and beta 1 that minimize the expression. I have already put in the video form, you can look and understand. We use calculus specifically by taking the partial derivative of sum of the square of errors with respect to beta 0 and beta 1. Deriving the OLS estimator, let us now derive the formula for the OLS estimator. Students, we know that we want to minimize the function, so function is minimized, so we take the function as q equal to summation vi minus beta 0 minus beta 1 xi का whole square. Now we take the partial derivatives with respect to beta 0. When we take the partial derivative, then dq upon db0 equal to minus twice summation yi minus beta 0 minus beta 1 xi. Now we put this equation equal to 0 as a equation 1. Now we take partial derivative with respect to beta 1, that is dq upon d beta 1 minus 2 summation xi yi minus beta 0 minus beta 1 xi. Now again we set it equal to 0. We get two equation, that is beta 0 and beta 1. Now solving this two equation simultaneously, when we solve this, the normal equations, equation 1 and equation 2 from equation 1, that is summation yi equal to n beta 0 plus beta 1 summation xi. Now we divide both sides by n. When we divide both sides by n, we get y bar equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x bar, our equation 3. Now again equation 2, that is summation xi yi equal to beta 0 summation xi plus beta I summation xi का whole square. Now we substitute beta 0 from equation 3 into this equation to solve beta 1. Finally we arrive the OLS estimator. So the formula of beta 1, that is slope of the estimator, will be beta 1 equal to summation xi minus x bar का whole square and yi minus y bar का whole square divided by summation xi minus x bar का whole square. And the formula for beta 0 interception will be beta 0 equal to y bar minus beta 1 x bar. These are the OLS formula we use in regression analysis. Student, you have to solve these problems in daily basis to understand this concept. When we see the interpretation of beta 0 and beta 1, what we understand? Beta 1 tells how much y change with when x increase by 1 unit. जब x जो स्लोप ऑफ रिग्रेशन लाइंस को शो करता है, बीटा 0 इंटरसेप्शन है, और यू कैन से द प्रेडिक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ y व्हेन x इज इक्वल टू 0. ये वैल्यूज हमको हेल्प करती है टू एस्टिमेट रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन y cap equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x. So when we recap the key points of the above, the OLS method minimize the sum of the square of the error. We derived beta 0 and beta 1 using partial derivatives, and the formula, final formula, you got it in the above equation. We can also say that beta 1 is equal to covariance xy divided by variance x, or beta 0 equal to y bar minus beta 1 x bar. These are the most fundamental formula in econometrics. So go through it, try to understand these equations, use partial derivatives, and try to understand this topic, because this topic will be helpful in solving econometrics problem. Thank you students for watching this volume 4 of our econometrics series. I know that this topic is somewhat typical, but when you practice you will understand the concept. So I hope you have now understand how OLS estimators are derived. If you like this video, please like, share and comment below with your question. Also subscribe to IEMS Academy for more econometric lessons. Thank you very much. Again, comment if you have any problem. Thank you very much. In this next video, we will learn about the properties of OLS estimator, which we have done in volume 3, but again we will work on the unbiasedness, efficiency and consistency. Thank you very much.